Hi Weber fans, so today we're going to be cooking a quick breakfast recipe that the whole family will enjoy. So what we'll do is dive straight into it. Don't forget everything you use in the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Today we're going to be cooking a popular recipe that we do when we go camping. Now you can do this on the Weber kettle, you can do it on the Genesis, and today we're going to be doing it on the Weber Baby Q. So all you need is an indirect cooking system. So what we'll do is dive straight into it. Right, so we're going to start off with our crusty loaf, and all you're going to want to do is just remove the top. Now we've removed the top, you're going to want to remove the inner bread. Now you've got to remove it all, we're going to leave some because we don't want what we're putting in there to soak through. Now we'll set that aside while we prepare the ingredients. And don't forget everything you use in the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. So as you can see, that breakfast loaf turned out amazing. Now it was just a simple recipe. You've got your bacon, you've got your egg, and you've got your parsley. Now you can use fresh parsley. I used a teaspoon of dried parsley. If you're using fresh parsley, use around 2 tablespoons. You could also add some onion chives in there if you liked. It's entirely up to you. Make sure when you check your temperature, you push your probe right down into where the egg's going to be, so through the cheese. Now I used a Weber Instant probe. I will put a link in the description of where to get these from, but that egg must be around 71 degrees C, and again I'll put on screen what is in Fahrenheit for that egg to be cooked, as what you don't want is raw egg running out when you've cooked it. As I said at the beginning of the video, all you need is an indirect cooking system, and man, you want to keep that temperature around 170 degrees Celsius. I'll put on screen what that is in Fahrenheit. Now that dish serves around 4 people because there's a lot of protein in that dish, and there's a lot of bread as well. You can do this recipe on the Genesis, you can do it on the Baby Q, and you can even do it in the Weber kettle. So again, those new to the channel, if you find you get value out of this content, the contemplate showing support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like a quick comment, I'll pin it to the video. So what we'll do is cut to any bloopers, and I'll catch you in the next one. that meg